Hi guys, today I will be making peanut butter oatmeal cookies. And here are the ingredients. Half cup of butter, half cup of peanut butter, 1 cup brown sugar, 1 piece of egg, half teaspoon vanilla extract, half cup and 1/8 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder, pinch of salt, and 1 cup and 1/4 oatmeal. First, I will sift the flour, baking soda, baking powder, and the salt. Then place the butter and peanut butter in a bowl and beat together. Then beat in brown sugar. Then gradually beat in egg and vanilla extract. And now mix in the flour with the spatula. Then now you may add the oatmeal. Now I divide the mixture into two. The other one is for plain oatmeal cookies and the other one I will put chocolate chips, or you can put nuts if you want to. Cover it with cling wrap and let it rest in the chiller for 1 hour. Before baking it, preheat your oven in 180 Celsius. Place spoonful of mixture onto the prepared baking trays. Then the other mixture with the chocolate chips. Then slightly flatten it with your fingers. Then with the chocolate chips mixture, I'll just add more chocolate chips in the top. Then bake this in the preheated oven for 12 minutes or until lightly browned. After baking it, leave to cook on the baking trays for 2 minutes, then transfer to wire racks to cool completely. Now for the packaging, I have cookie bags, gift card, scissor, stapler, and ribbon. And you can put 10 pieces of cookies here, just like this. Arrange it well. Fold it 3 times and stapler it, and stapler the card also and the ribbon. And now, here's my peanut butter oatmeal cookies. Hope you like it and try it. Thanks. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.